In DAX, you can use the standard comparison operators by combining less than, greater than, and the equal sign. So you can compare, for example, a equal b, where a and b are two variables which are identical, they both contain the number 10, and you can compare for equality, for a strictly less than b, less or equal than b, combining less and equal, or greater than b, or greater or equal than b. And they work with any data type, providing exactly the expected result. So a equal b is true because the two numbers are the same, whereas a less than b is false because being the same, a is not less than b, but it is less or equal than b. You need to pay attention when using this comparison with strings, because remember that by default DAX is case insensitive. Therefore, two strings that are the same apart from the case, they are considered equal. A equal b on a and b, that are two strings where Power BI is lowercase in the first one and uppercase in the second one, they are considered equal. And the same happens for all the comparisons. So a less than b, less or equal or greater than b, they follow comparison without taking into account the case of the letters. Finally, you need to pay attention to the handling of blank. Blank is considered as 0 or as an empty string for all the comparison operators. So if A contains an empty string and B contains 0, A equals blank is true, because an empty string is considered the same as a blank, and greater or equal than blank is true. If you need to do a strict comparison between blanks and empty strings, then you need to use the double equal operator, which is read as strictly equal, and that makes a difference between blank and an empty string or between blank and 0.